Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful and very gorgeous Maharashtrian style Sankranti decoration. So I have created this cute quilled girl wearing black sari with the Haldi Kumkum theme, and also I have decorated the bag with the kites for kite festival. So let's get started. First I am starting with making the face of the girl. For this I am taking 4 strips of peach color 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside the dome and spread it using brush. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using brown color 3 mm strips. So I am just joining both the tight coil domes with each other to make the face. Then I am starting with the upper body. For this I have prepared these two tight coils. This black tight coil is made using 7 strips of 5 mm black color, and this tight coil is made using 7 strips of peach color 3 mm. Now I am shaping the peach tight coil using dome, and the black one we needed little deeper, so I am using my fingers to make a deeper dome. Add glue inside both the domes and connect with each other. Then I am taking 3 mm half strip of peach color and just randomly making one small ring for neck of the girl. Just connect the neck with the body and then adding face on top of this. Allow it to dry. Then I am starting with the hands. For this I am taking one strip of black color 5 mm and making one cone shape. Add glue inside this cone. And in the same way I have prepared one more cone using one strip of peach color 3 mm and one small ring for bangle using half strip of green color 5 mm, just like we made the neck. Now I am joining both the cones with each other and adding the bangles with the hands. So hands are ready. Now here I am taking one black color semicircle cutout. This is having 11 centimeter radius. I have just taken one black sheet and created this semicircle. This sheet is having 220 GSM thickness. Now I'm just curling this sheet little bit using scissors so that we can easily fold it. And now just you have to make one cone for the skirt of girl. Add little glue and hold it for some time. And it's done. Now I'm just chopping the top little bit using scissors so that we can connect the upper body with this. So this is ready. Now the height of this cone is approx 10 centimeters. So I'm here taking one paper strip which is 10 centimeter in height and the width doesn't matter. And here I have prepared some plates for sari already, and we have to just connect these plates with each other with the glue. And then I will start wrapping the sari around this cone. Just cutting the paper diagonally so that it will stick on other side. Just you can cut the excess paper. And this is done. Now I am just connecting the upper body with this. Then I am taking here 15 by 5 centimeter paper strip and I have folded like a zigzag manner for the pallu of sari. Now I am going to stick this pallu on the shoulder from the bottom to top like this diagonally. Hold it for some time. And now I am going to attach both the hands like this. So it's done, and I have just decorated the pallu and the sari border using beautiful pink color lace border. So it should look like this. You can also use pink color paper strip to decorate it. Here I am using this beautiful lace border by Craft Gully. So if you want to purchase this, you can visit Craft Gully website. And also I have decorated the border using golden marker. So I have used this gold marker to create triangles and dots on the border and on the pallu. And also I have decorated the border of the blouse. Now here I have prepared one dome using 2 strips of brown color 3mm for the juda. So I'm just connecting this dome with the back side of the head. And then I have prepared the features already. This teardrop is made using 1/8 strip of peach color. I have just cut my 3mm strip from center to make thin strip. So first I am adding the nose, and ears are made using 1/4 strip of peach color, 1.5 mm strip. Like this. Then I have prepared some leaf shapes using half strip of brown color 3mm for the braid. So I am connecting the braid with the jura and adding these leaf shapes from back to front on other shoulder. So here I have just added the ornaments like stone chain, ball chains and stones to decorate the Judah and earrings, necklace, everything. So it's all up to you how you want to decorate. And for the eyes I have used 2 mm hole punch machine. I have just cut black color paper. And for lips I cut red color paper in triangle. And for earrings I have used 1/4 strip of golden color to make small domes for jhumka. So it's done. Now here I have prepared this tight coil using 1 strip of peach color 3 mm. I am just making tight teardrop shape for the palm, and then I will connect palms with the hands. Then here I have created this cute thali for Haldi Kumkum, which is made using 10 strips of golden color 3 mm, and I have created 2 small domes for Haldi and Kumkum, 1 cone for the Itr bottle and 1 cute bowl of laddus. For laddu I have used ball chain of golden color. I have just separated all the balls and filled this cup using these gold balls. So this is very easy to make, you can easily prepare it. And I am connecting the thali with the hands of girl, and it's done. Now I am starting with making the base. For this I am taking 14 by 11 centimeter mountboard sheet and I am covering it using yellow color craft paper. Like this. Then I am taking white color sheet which measures 9 by 12 centimeters and I have just creased it on 2, 4, 6 and 8 centimeters. Just fold all the creases. Here I am making the pillar which I am going to add on back side. Just secure the pillar by adding with the last fold. And then I am decorating this pillar using this beautiful die cutout. You can also use pattern paper to decorate the pillar. And then on one side of the edge I am adding one white color sheet to close this pillar. I like to dry for some time. So I just fussy cut the excess paper, excess white paper, and then I am decorating the top using this small shape which I got from the die cutout center. And then I have created this cute kite shape. This is simple a square shape and added one green triangle on bottom. So I'm adding this kite in the pillar like this, and in the same way I have prepared one more pillar of same size. Both the pillars are same, and also prepared one more pillar which is little broader. So height of this pillar is approximately 15 centimeters and it will come in the center of both the tiny pillars. So this is done, and for this I have added big kite. Now taking back my base, and I'm adding these 2 paper doilies in the front. It will look like a rangoli design. Then I am sticking all 3 pillars. and then adding the quilled girl in the front. And this is done. So the beautiful Sankranti special showpiece is ready. I'm sure you will try this and gift it to your nearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.